Seniors, eat this at night to heal your eyes and boost vision while sleeping. What if I told you there is a simple fruit you can eat before bed that could actually help heal your eyes and sharpen your vision while you sleep? Most seniors don't know this secret, but tonight could be the first night you start repairing your eyesight naturally. Welcome to Healthy Life Secrets, your trusted place for simple, powerful, and science-backed health tips. From senior fitness and nutrition to natural remedies and everyday wellness strategies, here you'll find everything you need to live stronger, healthier, and happier. Stay with us, and let's uncover the secrets to better health together. For years, we've been told that vision loss is inevitable with age. Cataracts, macular degeneration, and dry eyes are seen as just another part of getting older. But recent research suggests that your eyes are not only more resilient than we once thought, they can also heal and repair themselves if you give them the right nutrients at the right time. And the surprising secret is that what you eat before bed may be the most important step you can take. So what is this fruit that seniors are now calling nature's nighttime eye healer? The answer is simple: the humble kiwi. Yes, that small green fruit with a fuzzy brown skin, often overlooked in the supermarket, is showing remarkable benefits for eye health, especially when eaten before bed. Scientists have discovered that kiwis are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, lutein, and zeaxanthin, compounds that directly support the retina and protect against the oxidative damage that builds up while you sleep. During the night, while your body rests, your eyes go into repair mode. The cells of the retina, which take in light and send signals to the brain, are constantly being bombarded by free radicals during the day. Blue light from screens, sunlight, and even stress can cause micro damage to these delicate cells. Eating kiwis before bed delivers a surge of antioxidants right when your body needs them most. Vitamin C in particular has been linked to a lower risk of cataracts, while lutein and zeaxanthin act as natural filters, protecting the eyes from harmful light. But it's not just the nutrients in kiwi that make it special. Kiwis are also rich in serotonin and melatonin precursors, compounds that help regulate your sleep cycle. A study in Taiwan found that people who ate 2 kiwis 1 hour before bedtime fell asleep faster, slept longer, and had better quality rest. Why does this matter for your eyes? Because good sleep is essential for eye repair. When you sleep deeply, blood flow to the eyes improves, cells regenerate more effectively, and inflammation decreases. Eating kiwi before bed creates a powerful 1-2 punch. It improves your sleep while also delivering the nutrients your eyes need to heal. Many seniors notice that their vision problems are worse when they are tired. Dry eyes, blurry focus, or sensitivity to light often appear after a poor night's sleep. By adding this fruit to your nightly routine, you're not only improving your rest but also giving your body the tools to restore your eyesight naturally. Let's talk about the science more deeply. The retina, located at the back of your eye, is rich in light-sensitive cells called photoreceptors. These cells are responsible for translating light into signals that your brain interprets as vision. Over time, oxidative stress damages these cells, leading to conditions like macular degeneration. The antioxidants in kiwi, especially vitamin C and lutein, neutralize this oxidative stress, preventing damage before it starts. In fact, one large study found that people with higher intake of lutein and zeaxanthin had a 43% lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. And here's another surprising benefit. Kiwi is low in sugar compared to many other fruits. For seniors managing blood sugar levels, especially those with diabetes or prediabetes, this is a critical advantage. High blood sugar is one of the leading contributors to vision decline, causing damage to the tiny blood vessels in the retina. Eating a fruit that supports your eyes without spiking your glucose makes kiwi a rare and powerful ally. You may be wondering, why specifically at night? Couldn't you just eat kiwi in the morning or afternoon? The truth is, timing matters. Your body repairs itself while you sleep. Studies show that cells in the eye undergo regeneration cycles at night, when they are not exposed to bright light. Delivering antioxidant-rich foods like kiwi before bed ensures that your body has a reservoir of protective compounds ready to use during these critical repair hours. Think of it like charging your phone at night. Without plugging it in, it won't be ready for the next day. Your eyes are the same. Feeding them the right nutrients before sleep ensures they're charged and ready when you wake. This doesn't mean kiwi is the only helpful fruit. Blueberries, oranges, and grapes also contain compounds that support vision. But kiwi stands out because it combines eye-protective antioxidants with natural sleep-enhancing compounds, making it uniquely suited as a bedtime food. It is like nature designed it for seniors who want to protect both their sleep and their eyesight. Beyond the science, let's consider real-life experiences. Seniors who add kiwi to their nightly routine often report surprising improvements. Some say their eyes feel less dry in the morning, while others notice reduced glare from headlights when driving at night. Still others describe clearer vision when reading or working on a computer. While not every person will experience the same results, the pattern is undeniable. Giving your eyes extra support at night can make a noticeable difference in day-to-day life. The beauty of this tip is its simplicity. You don't need expensive supplements, complicated diets, or risky surgeries. All it takes is adding 1 or 2 kiwis to your evening routine. Slice them, scoop them, or blend them into a smoothie. Within weeks, you may begin to notice subtle but meaningful changes in how your eyes feel and function. And over time, this small habit could help protect against serious age-related vision loss. Of course, it's important to remember that no single food is a miracle cure. Protecting your vision requires a holistic approach. Eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, protecting your eyes from UV light, and keeping regular checkups with your doctor. But adding kiwi at night may be one of the easiest and most enjoyable steps you can take. Think of it as part of your nightly ritual, like brushing your teeth or setting an alarm. A simple act with long-term rewards. As we age, independence becomes one of the most precious gifts. The ability to read, drive, and recognize the faces of loved ones is priceless. Vision loss can take away not just sight, but also freedom and confidence. That's why small lifestyle changes that protect your eyes are so powerful. Eating kiwi at night might seem like a tiny adjustment, but when you multiply that habit over months and years, the benefits could be life-changing. So the next time you're making your evening snack, skip the cookies or chips and reach for a kiwi instead. It's a choice that your eyes will thank you for, tonight, tomorrow, and for years to come. Because the truth is, healing your eyes and boosting your vision while you sleep is not a fantasy. It's science, and it's waiting on your plate. Seniors, eat this fruit before bed and give your eyes the gift of healing rest. Your vision is worth protecting, and the time to start is now. Thanks for watching Healthy Life Secrets. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest health tips and senior wellness guides. Your journey to better health starts here. See you in the next video.